This is video series. Some things may seem out of context. Please watch the other videos as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create tags similar as I have here for the purpose of tagging these layered structures. Let's just copy the path to the shared parameters file. So go to the tool and click here on shared parameters file location. Click here and right click and choose copy or press Ctrl C. Next, let's create a family. Click on File, New Family, Annotations, and you can use either generic tag or multi-category tag as I will. Okay, now it's important to locate the share parameters file. So let's go here and paste what you had before. So I'll just copy paste here in the file name and click enter, and I have it here, share parameters file that this add-in is using. Okay, and okay. Everything else from this point is trivial, so we will just add some label and locate some parameters. For example, we can use layers and widths. Okay, and we will add another one which is called layers and widths reversed. This way we can have two types. One will show the order, like normal order of layers and widths, and the other will show the same thing but reversed. Okay, let me adjust this a little bit. So this will be aligned to the top like this. This will be on the same place, but let's deal with visibility first. So this will be called normal. Okay, and this will be called reversed. Okay, if I go to type, let me create two types, normal and new type called reversed. Okay, and reversed will be no, not normal, and I will switch off normal here. So this is the right settings. Okay, now let me put one on top of the other and let me create a label for something like type name. Okay, and do the same arrangement left, this time on the bottom here. I'll do this and I'll do this here. Okay, this is our type. It's called family2. Let me load it back to the project, just like this, and let's test it out. Okay, it seems it works. So this is normal and this is reversed.